Hey guys, it's me again, the happy cultivator, urban gardener. And this is video number 2 on turning my front yard into a semi-permaculture produce stand for me and my family. What I have here is some lettuce transplants. These are the lettuce transplants you saw in video 1. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take some empty space in this bed right here behind me, and we're going to plant some of these transplants. So let's get to it. Like I said, guys, what I've started here is a no-till bed. It's living no-till organics. And I will show you guys how to start one of these beds, of course, in a later video. But it's fairly easy to work the soil, so I really don't need anything but my bare hands to just move the soil out of the way a little bit and put in my lettuce transplants here. So what I'm gonna do is just get started and you guys follow along. It's real simple and just makes gardening a lot more of a joy when you've propagated yourself some really nice starts. I did propagate these from seed. Okay guys, all we gotta do is water them in. There you guys go. There's our lettuce. Most of this is cut and come again lettuce, so we'll just, come out and we'll harvest these outside leaves and make ourselves some nice little spring mix salads and stuff. I have some arugula in there, some mustard greens, lots of nice mixed greens within this front bed right here. We're going to take a look at how our lettuce is doing. So here we are. And it's got a little dirt kicked up on it from the storm. No problem there. But as you can see, the lettuce we've planted is growing quite nicely. I have put some cauliflower in here as well. And I think one or two of these plants might be Brussels sprouts. That's what happens when you don't label them. But when they get bigger, of course, I'll know which is which. We're getting some good harvests off the lettuce. Gotten several harvests off the lettuce, matter of fact, and it's still growing strong, so I will be getting some more harvests on that. But that's how our semi-permaculture supermarket in the front yard is doing so far. And I'll give you a quick look at the berry patch as well. I've done a little bit of updating to the berry patch. I've added a couple of bare root elderberries, which have taken off quite nicely. I've added a bare root gooseberry. I've added some bare root strawberries. I have 3 different varieties in here. I have Sequoia, All-Star, and it is Oregon Everbearing, I believe was what it was, but don't quote me on that. My blueberries are coming along quite nicely. Been fertilized already with a little bit of acidic fertilizer and some BioLive. And my blackberries are coming along quite nicely. And then one more thing I wanted to show you that we've done in the supermarket so far is we've planted some Brussels sprouts and some cauliflower here. Got a little bit of bug damage over the last couple days, but it's been kind of wet. I'm pretty sure it's slug damage, but we'll take care of that. And then we have some round zucchini going here. And we have some Zapallo del Troncos squash, which is an Argentine squash. It's kind of like a round zucchini as well. And then we have some more succession planting to do here real soon. So thanks for coming out. Thanks for watching. And if you like what you see, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and leave a comment. We like feedback here in the urban garden, And with that, I say, guys, keep happy, stay uplifted, and urban garden, guys.